my vintage Gucci Jackie bag restoration. After my Chanel restoration for the bag and my Chanel loafers also restoration, I found this lovely bag on Vestiaire Collective in a very bad situation, and I thought, you know what, I will do some restoration to it. To start restoration, you need to clean the bag. I always recommend you use a sponge that is filled with the foam from Gentle Cleansing Soap. Scrub it really, really well, but make sure not to bring it or make it soaking in water. I will take a microfiber towel and wipe off any of this soap residue on it. Then I will leave the bag to dry. I definitely recommend to use a shoe dryer if you have one. If you don't, put it in an air-dried area. Things I will be using are a deglazer to remove a layer from the bag, the color, here I chose cream, and a finisher. I like the satin finisher, and this is the set of paint brushes. Also, you need to protect the bag with the water and stain repellent and moisturize it using a leather conditioner. I will post all of these things down in the description box. So after you clean the bag, all I recommend you do is to wear gloves, not only to protect your hands, but you don't want to put any oils from your hands to the bag. Using painter's tape, I didn't have one, so I used regular tape here. Tape off everything from the hardware to protect it. Not that the paint is hard to remove from hardware, but better be safe than sorry in that case. I want to tell you guys, restoration has become one of my favorite hobbies. I love to do it on a Saturday evening or a Sunday morning. I will start with a deglazer. Deglazer technically removes the protective layer of the paint from the bag. Also, that will remove with it a lot of the debris and dirt on the bag. Use a cotton pad and remove the first layer. It shouldn't take you time, and once you do this, if the bag has stickiness or anything from the leather color, it will go. Then I will start painting. I recommend here you use painting technique like nail polish. Thin coats, multiple coats, better than one thick coat. Go back and forth on the piece and you will be amazed. Painting really takes the bag to a notch, and you will see this part here, I had in it a big stain like this line, and this line will disappear. It's like magic, but really it's not. It's a coat of paint. This bag didn't cost me a lot at all. I think I bought it for 200 euros on Vestiaire because the person who was getting rid of it thought it's completely broken. But honestly speaking, refurbishing this and completely going over it with a brush of paint brought it back to life. It looks like new, as you can see. So after 2 coats of paint, I will then add the finisher. There is a glossy finisher, a matte finisher. Satin is in between, not too glossy and not too matte. After painting your finisher, you can remove the tape. And voila, that's it. I hope you really enjoyed that video. Let me know if you want to see any more restoration videos. I'm planning to update my old bags and I can film that to you guys. Yeah, and this is the after. Everything I'll show you from the before and after completely looks like new now. It looks impeccably elegant and sophisticated. I love this bag to death. That's it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.